Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to change language on Capital One app. To start, open the Capital One app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, sign in with your username and password. Next, you will see several icons at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Profile. Then, on this screen, you will see an option that says Account and Feature Settings. Tap on Account and Feature Settings. Under General Account Settings, you will see an option that says Language Settings. Tap on Language Settings. Next, you will see an option that says Update Language. Tap on Update Language. You could choose from English and Espanol. Tap on the option you wish to choose. Then tap on Save. That's how you change language on Capital One app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.